Alright guys, so this is what we're going to be making today. Quick and easy and simple dish to make. Cost friendly, tasty. Everyone in the family will love it. So let's get on with the show. Okay, so let's go. We've got our pork fillets that we've sliced up. We've got a bit of flour for them that we've got to toss them in before we cook them. We've got some mushrooms, a bit of garlic, a bit of ginger. I've got some broccoli, some fresh spring onions and some carrots. And today we're going to be using thin egg noodles. So let's continue. Okay, so we've got our wok. It's heated up enough. We've got our oil in there. As you can see, there's plenty of smoke. So let's start cooking up our meats. Pop all that in there. What I've done with the meat, I've dusted them. I've put some flour on. So that's what's going to help picking this up at the end. Okay, so we're 3/4 of the way cooked this meat, so we can take this out now. And we'll have this ready to start cooking up these veggies. Alright, so now they're out of the way. Now we've got our vegetables. What we will do first, we'll cook our hard vegetables first. So we'll get our carrots in there. And we'll get this broccoli going. Okay, so we'll just toss them around a little bit first. In this pan. Might just add a little bit more vegetable oil. Not much. Now, as you can see in the pot over here, I've got hot water ready to go for the egg noodles. So once this is nearly done, we'll get those egg noodles going, because timing is everything. And it won't be long. Alright, so we've got them cooking. Let's add our mushrooms, our crushed ginger and our garlic. And the rest of these spring onions. And let's toss all these through. So what I've done also in the meantime, if you can see here, I've got our egg noodles in our hot water. So we've got them going. So at the moment we'll just keep on stirring them a little bit. Once we're ready, we'll put the pork in, sorry. Okay, now our vegetables are cooked at the stage that we want them to be at. Let's throw our pork back in. And keep on stir frying this. Alright, next we'll just get some of this oyster sauce in there. Now all we've got to do is get these noodles in. Now, as you can see, I am making a lot because I'm making for 5 people. Okay, noodles are in. Now let's get all this mixed. And last but not least, a little bit of soy. So there you go guys, we've plated that all up. I hope you enjoy that. This is going to be really nice. These thin egg noodles, it's like they're pretty much Singapore noodles, so this dish is a Singapore noodle dish, but you can call it whatever you like. But yeah, so that's quick and easy, so let's dig in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.